Welcome to our latest update on Apple's upcoming iPhone models. Today, we dive into the exciting world of smartphone cameras, focusing on the rumored changes coming to the iPhone 15 Pro Max and potentially the iPhone 16 Pro. From enhanced zoom capabilities to higher resolution sensors, there's a lot to unpack. Stay tuned as we explore these developments in detail. Evolution of camera systems. In recent leaks, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is rumored to feature a groundbreaking 5x optical zoom thanks to its innovative tetraprism lens. This advancement promises sharper and more detailed zoom capabilities, setting a new standard in smartphone photography. Sensor upgrades. Rumors suggest that Apple might introduce a second 48MP sensor in the rear camera setup of the iPhone 16, particularly impacting the ultra-wide lens. This upgrade aims to enhance overall image quality and detail, potentially leaving the telephoto lens with a 12MP sensor. Design enhancements. Innovations aren't just limited to performance upgrades. Thinner lenses are reportedly in the works. This design tweak could not only reduce the camera module's size and weight but also contribute to a slimmer bump on the non-Pro iPhone models, making them sleeker and more ergonomic. As we anticipate these exciting developments from Apple, the future of smartphone photography looks promising. Keep an eye out for more updates as we get closer to the launch of these new iPhone models. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for all the latest news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.